Hello YouTube, I'm back again with another unboxing video of a Singapore Airlines Airbus A330-300. So yeah, before that I have something to say. Happy Chinese New Year to everyone, and like if you're not Chinese, happy holidays. And if you're Chinese, happy Chinese New Year. Xin Nian Kuai Le. Hope you get lots of money, I should say, to buy more models and stuff like that. So yeah, hey, so yeah, let's get started right here. Before that, let me give you a bit of information about this plane and its fleet. So this plane's first flight was on the 28th of 28/7/2015. They were founded on 1st of May. Singapore Airlines was founded on the 1st of May 1947 and converted to Singapore Airlines after separating with Malaysia Airlines on 1st of October 1972. Their main hub is at Singapore Changi International Airport, and their subsidiaries are Silk Air, Scoot, Singapore Airlines Cargo, and Tiger Air. There are 31 A330-343s in their fleet and have a total of 109 aircrafts. Their company slogan is a great way to fly. Okay, so yeah, now let's go through the box real quick. So here we have the top, as you can see there, A330-300 Airbus logo, the computer edition of the plane right there, and the background looks really nice. This is the Merlion, Singapore's most attracted place, and this is the, as you can see, shooting at water. So yeah, and this is what we call the durian, because if you look closely, it really looks like a durian. I'm not sure if you would be able to see, but that really looks like a durian right there, the shape and all those. So yeah, okay, moving down. Singapore Airlines, registration 9B-SSH, 1/400 scale, Platinum Series. Okay, bottom of the box, Phoenix, Airbus A330-300, the plane right there. Singapore Airlines, registration 9B-SSH, Phoenix, Airbus A330-300, and plane, and Heart of Aviation, and you can read that right there. Okay, Phoenix. Okay, so the back of the box, I really like this design, because this shows all the most attractive places in Singapore. So up there we have limited edition, and the background is of Marina. This is the MBS Marina Bay Sands. It looks like a what's that called? If you watch the one, I forgot the name, but like the two animals, stuff like that, and it looks kind of like that. So every two animals have to board this, and like with the know why they are or something, I think, I'm not sure. It looks something like that. Yeah, this is Marina Bay Sands, and that is, I forgot the name, but this is like a opera theater or something, I'm not sure. But anyways, moving down, Singapore Airlines with the logo, item number, warnings, and Phoenix. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Now this is a January 2016 new Phoenix release. So yeah, here's the plane, very nice, as you can see here, A330-300. Okay, so yeah, let's take it out of the box. Okay, so it's out of the box. The plastic thing is strapped here. So yeah, this is a really nice model. So give me like a few minutes to put this back in. Okay, hold up, it's not going back in. Okay, there you go. Okay, Okay, so that's the model right there. Let's put it on this right here. Okay, so let's get started. Hope it will focus. Okay, let's just bring it closer. Okay, there you go. So here we got the cockpit, the Airlines logo right there, the boarding door underneath, part of the registration SH, and then Singapore Airlines door, the second boarding door, Singapore Airlines, the flag, Singapore flag, going on like that, door, the registration over here, 9V-SSH, last door, and the Singapore Airlines logo. So yeah, the other side, same thing, but with the cargo door right there, if you can see that. Let me tilt it up a bit. You can see the cargo door right there, and one at the back. Hold up, let me just move it. Okay, right there, that's the other cargo door. And this is for like baggage. I think it's for baggages. Yeah, it should be, but yeah. Okay, so yeah, now let's take a look at the underneath of the plane. Let me just move this back a bit. Okay, we'll do it like that. Front landing gear. Hold up, let me just, okay, wait. Okay, front landing gear. Phoenix logo right there. O for the stand. The right wing, the landing gear and the engine. Left wing, the registration at the bottom, 9V-SSH. Okay, yeah, and all the landing gears do roll very nicely. Okay, so coming back down, we have our antenna right there, and yeah, moving down like that. Okay, now for the top, the first antenna, Wi-Fi box, left wing. I'll just show you like that. This is the left wing, right wing. Okay, moving along like that. The antenna right there, and the last antenna right there. Moving down like that. So yeah, that's the tour. So now let me rotate this thing for you to see. Let me just zoom in a bit. Okay, that's the front. As you can see, the landing is a bit tilted, but that's okay. This side, the back, and then the other side. Okay, so yeah, now let's put it on the stand right here. This is the stand. Okay, so let's just put it on. Oh, it fits perfectly. Look at that. It's so nice. Okay, I will show you the front first. This is the front view. This view. There we go. Okay. Back view. and the last. So yeah, that is how it should look like on this stand. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or comments, write it in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer them. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.